Alright guys, check this out. I got this online and it was on sale. So this is basically Smart Eat green curry chicken. So it's already pre-made, but it's actually kind of cool. So if you look here, you'll see the nutrient count. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. And here's the ingredients. Chicken, it's got water, coconut extract, bamboo, some chilies, some kaffir limes, all that basic stuff that's in there. So I'm going to cook it up and I'm going to add it to my miracle rice, which is this. Because this is actually doesn't have any flavor, so I'm going to add it to that, cook it together, and I'll do a quick taste test for you. So stay tuned, and I'm going to open the box right now. Okay, so there it is. The packet is pretty small though, but it'll help flavor this up, and then yeah, it'll be pretty cool. So I'll try it out. And stay tuned guys, I'll be back and I'll do a quick taste test. Okay, so I opened the package with the miracle rice. I'm going to cook it, let the water evaporate, and then it'll be ready. But take a look at this. There's only like 2 pieces of chicken in there, so tiny guys. So, but it smells really good, and I'm hoping it actually turns out really well. So stay tuned guys, I'll be back. So here's the green curry. All done here. Let's do a quick taste test. It's got good flavor. It's got a lot of the coconut and curry taste. It probably needs a little bit more salt. Other than that, it's pretty good. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. It is really small, though, if you look at it. There's like 1 piece of chicken or 2 little tiny pieces. So stay tuned for more videos, guys. And don't forget to thumbs up the video.